सर एक सवाल मुझे भी आपसे पूछना था सर, जो नागपुर में हो रहा है और जो हम वायलेंस देख रहे हैं, आई वांट टू नो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ बिकॉज इट हैपेंड अ फ्यू मीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ द आरएसएस. इज औरंगजेब relevant today? And the chief minister of Maharashtra also said that this was a pre-planned attack, and right now we also have the police also investigating this. What is your take? What is the RSS take on this? Because it was led by the VHP there. What do you think is the RSS take on this?
See, any type of violence is not good to the health of the society, and I think police are have taken the cognizance of it, and so I think they will go into the details, and that's the point.
Is Aurangzeb relevant today? Do you think the tomb should be moved?
I think not relevant.